Alright, we got mailbags everywhere again. Let's see what we got going on today. Alright, the least obtrusive one. Oh, okay. I know what this is. I think. Kinda. And this is going to be something to test, but it is a Algam TO series component test tool. So we're going to try to get it out of the package here and take a quick little look at it, because there will be a review on this item. But what you have here is pogo pins loaded on the end, and you've got 4 different chips and stuff that you can put in here, different chip configurations here, here. It's USB-C powered, and this is designed, I mean, you can set it down to test components. Now, I don't know any details about it. There's no screen in this to give you any information, so I don't know if it actually shows up with an app on the computer or what. But that'll be in the review. We'll go through the details. But this right here is a component tester. And I thought it was pretty cool. It was next to nothing in cost, as everything is. And so I thought, well, shoot, we'll give this thing a shot and see what it looks like. We'll see what it is. So, what we got next? I don't know what this is we got next. I don't remember anything about it. So, let's get her open and take a look at it. I'm going to have to change my thumbnail from a Temu thumbnail to a Temu, eBay, Santa Claus, MasterCard thumbnail. Oh, yes, awesome. I know what this is, and you do too. This is the HS02A. Oh man, yes, that is cool. If you'll remember, I think it's aired, or it's come out, or whatever you call it. Had a C245 tip, and really wasn't sure what it fit, and it fits this one. So this is the larger, the big brother to the HS02B, which is the one I've reviewed before. So I'll be reviewing this one, and we'll have the HS02A or B out at the same time. So I'm not going to go over the details because the kit's the same, the accessories are the same and all that, but the iron itself I'm not sure about. So we will kind of compare them side to side as we do that review to see how they come about. I've got 2 ports on that power supply, so I should be able to power both of them at the same time, compare heat up, configure the settings the same, just do a comparison between the two. So instead of just, because this I think is going to be the same thing, just a bigger tip. I don't think there's going to be really any change in the setup itself and the iron itself. So we'll do comparison between the two, so you can kind of get an idea as which one you may or may not want to buy. So awesome. I'm glad to see that. Kind of surprised to see it, and I was like, man, that looks like an HS02, but I don't remember buying one. So apparently I did. So anyway, be looking for that. If you want to see it sooner, let me know. Matter of fact, you may see it before you actually see this mail video. I don't know. So what we got next? Alrighty, Ultra HD action camera. You know, I've kind of started liking these little jobs. Super cheap from Temu. They say 4K, but I don't believe them. I don't believe everything somebody tells me. Contrary to popular belief, Looks like it's basically the same accessories. That's new. That's not in the other ones. Not sure. Keeps somebody from stealing it, I guess. So I don't know. And this is new. Don't know what that is. The camera itself, maybe it's just a replacement back. They figure you might. Oh, I think of what it is. You put this back on here and you use these tie straps or whatever to strap this to something. I believe is the what fors on that. And again, see, the other one was a 5K with a front screen. This feels weighty, just like that one did. I think maybe they figured out that the more weight you add to one of these, the better it feels and the more quality people consider it to be. But actually, in all honesty, that 5K one and this 4K one right here, which what I may do is get this and do a video one and compare it to the other one together, because and I'm being honest with you, if this right here performs like you know, any decent amount, it feels like a GoPro. It literally feels like a GoPro in weight, in the feel of the case itself. It doesn't feel cheap, if that makes sense. So I'm kind of looking forward to this. I may jump this ahead of stuff and do the review on these cameras here pretty quick, because I want to start using them, and I usually don't want to start using something until after I've done a review on it, because I don't want to affect how the item is either good, bad, or ugly, one way or another. If it doesn't work the first time I try it, then that could be because I messed it up by using it. Anyway, well, it comes with a little remote control. I think maybe the other one came with a remote control also, but still, that's pretty cool. This is actually the case that I use on the other one, sitting there in front of the multimeter up there that you can't see. And that's where it's kind of living at the moment. So, all right, that's awesome. I didn't expect this kit to be that decent as well. So if you're on Temu and you see these cameras with the front-facing screen, now you can hold off buying it until I get the review done, but I'm going to tell you, I think it's going to be a pretty decent. I think it's going to be a pretty decent camera for what you'd use it for. So like the GoPros have gotten so expensive that it's like buying a full-fledged video camera, and so you really don't want to sacrifice them. I've seen in years past when GoPros were just coming out that people would take the GoPros and put them down there at the target and shoot at the target, and if they blew the GoPro up, oh well, no big deal. Well, I think we've got a very good stand-in here for that same deal. I don't know what the pricing on this, and it's useless to tell you any pricing for Temu. You just have to find them and see where they're at the time you find them. So anyway, cool, awesome, more good stuff. We're going to check this out and compare it to the 5K camera, and also throw the cheaper Our Life featherweight cameras in there and see how they stack up. So all right, let's see what we got next. All right, so that's all we got for now. I appreciate, as always, you spending your precious time here with me. I would like to ask that you would like and subscribe if you find this interesting or useful in any way. And I thank you for showing up. Thanks, and God bless.